If you're interested in Brazil, island life, and tropical adventures, then you've come to the right place. For the past 2.5 months, Pally and I have been living in Florianópolis, Brazil, and after doing a lot of research, visiting a lot of beaches, historic city centers, and doing way too much hiking, we can confidently say that we've put together the best 7-day itinerary on the internet for whenever you get here. So get those pencils out, get your phone out, be sure to take notes, and let's go. Saludos!
Cheers!
Chances are you'll be arriving to Florianópolis by plane, and you should 100% already have a car rented waiting for you as soon as you get here. The island is large and there's a lot to see, so you're definitely going to want to be able to just move at your own leisure and be able to take in as much of the views as possible. The first place you'll be going to is Campeche, and you should definitely rent an Airbnb.
Welcome to our house here in Campeche.
We found one that we loved that had a great terrace on it with awesome sights, and the truth is you're going to be spending most of your time outside of the Airbnb anyways. Now your first day you're going to be pretty tired, so we recommend just going to the central part of Florianópolis, where here you'll be able to see beautiful architecture that dates back a few hundred years, the people enjoying just their regular lives, and really get submerged into the culture of this island town. And the downtown has a lot of options for food, so welcome to my favorite food spot. This place is called Patio Milano, and the reason that we love it so much is because she likes some things, I like some things, and they pretty much cater to everybody here. So if you like pizza, they got it. You like pasta, they got it. They got seafood, they got Arabic food, burgers. You know it's not dinner without dessert, right? Ooh, there it is. We absolutely love these cupcakes. They have multiple varieties of red velvet, chocolate, caramel, fruits, I don't know, they got it all. And we are absolute fat asses. Pauli here took the liberty of getting us 8 cupcakes, all red velvet, except for 1 caramel right here. After eating your heart out, driving back to your Airbnb, and getting into bed, it's time to say good morning to day 2 and a lot of hiking. Welcome to Trail de Lagoinha do Leste. The trail winds through thick green jungle where you'll be surrounded by massive plants and immersed in nature. The simple fact that my hand can fit on this leaf is wild. Look, here's more of these like dinosaur jungle plants. Those are crazy. Do you hear that? It is also mountainous with the peaks poking above the clouds, so be ready to put in some work, but it's all worth it. Wow, there it is behind you. We're almost there.
Beautiful.
It is really nice. At the end, you'll find the most secluded beach on the island, and this is Lagoinha do Leste. Right over there are some people in the water right there. And then just on the other side, I mean, a handful of people all along there. A gorgeous backdrop behind me with the mountain. I love it. This is Brazil. And then some blue water. I mean, whoa, it's a little strong, but it is nice and refreshing. But I will say there's not very much. Actually, there's no natural shade at all. So it doesn't feel like I can spend a ton of time here without just being overly hot. After enjoying the water, we recommend just hanging out at one of the few restaurant bars on the beach and soaking in as much in the environment as possible as you wait around for day 3. Say hello to a bright and early day 3. Today you'll be visiting the crown jewels of Campeche, Praia Armaçao and Ilha do Campeche. To get to Ilha do Campeche, you'll take a boat from the harbor in Armaçao and enjoy a 30-minute cruise on the blue water of the Atlantic Ocean.
Wow, 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 wow. This is awesome.
Yeah, incredible.
It's Caribbean water, I swear.
It is paradise. The water is blue, it is clear, it's like an uninhabited place. There's just no houses or anything, and pristine out here. Be sure to get here early because the beach does fill up with tourists. After enjoying the calm water in the morning on the beach, it's time to pack up and head back to Praia do Armaçao. Grab yourself a bite to eat on the long boardwalk and sip on a capriosca as you take in the tropical views of the ocean and entire bay. To finish off the day, just explore around the Armaçao area. There's a lot of places to walk around, gaze out at the sea, look up at the jungle-esque mountains, and realize you're simply in paradise. Be sure to stick around until sunset though. There's this beautiful piece of property just right over there that's for sale. So we actually want to go see it. I don't know, pal, are we going to buy it?
Well, I think we should. No, it's absolutely beautiful.
Climb up the incline as the Brazilian orange skies linger over you. Make it to the top, where you'll truly see the magic of Armaçao and understand why Floripa is called Island of Magic. Yeah, I know. You've seen a lot, you're tired, and this is where you're going to be thanking me for getting you that rental car. So it is day 4, time to pack up the suitcase and head north to Lagoinha do Norte. It takes an hour to get to the small beach town, but it's great. There are 3 beaches all within 10 minutes of each other: Lagoinha, Praia Brava, and Puntas das Canas. First thing to do is get settled into your new Airbnb. We stayed at a beautiful 3-bedroom home that had a lot of space and was only an 8-minute walk from the closest beach. After getting settled in, hit up the closest beach, Lagoinha. Just got settled down, and there is seating that can be paid for. I didn't see any umbrellas that were rentable, but I did see lawn chairs that were rentable. So luckily our Airbnb had the chairs in it fully stocked, so that's great as well. Lagoinha is personally my favorite beach just to chill out in. It has aqua colored water and it's transparent on a sunny day. While on the beach, hit up one of the cart vendors for a capriosca, which I recommend to get it large, get it strong, and get it made with vodka. They're great to sip on while glancing at the homes on the shore, boats waiting in the water, and really just soaking in all those paradise vibes. After enjoying the bay, walk 10 minutes west to Puntas das Canas. When you get here, just walk along the beach. The sun faces out in the west, so it gives this amazing silhouette for people's bodies, the boats in the harbor, and if you're into taking photos or videos, definitely do that. The sky always has this magnificent color to it that literally looks like it's from a coloring book, and this is a must-come place to enjoy a sunset. So it's day 5, and I really hope that this vacation has been measuring up to your tropical type of experience you were hoping for. Now, I feel like I've been emphasizing sunsets a lot, so you guessed it, get your hiking shoes out. We're getting an early one this morning. We're getting the sunrise. You have a 4:30 a.m. roll call and need to drive 10 minutes to the trail. We made it, Trila do Moro do Rapa. It'll be dark during the entire first part of the hike, so be sure to use a flashlight of some sort as you begin the trekking. Light is finally breaking. Dawn is breaking. Not having to use a flashlight on the phone anymore. This is wild how hot it is here, but I guess I shouldn't expect anything less than Brazil from Brazil. Along the way, the sun will slowly begin to rise, filling the morning sky with color, waking birds and insects up, and giving an amazing mix of sounds with the waves of the ocean. The goal is to reach the top of the mountain to catch the best vantage point of the sunrise and the entire panoramic view of the land below.
Oh, mira, allá.
We made it out on the other side and we can actually see the fiery star literally rising, which is known as the sun, from the horizon of the ocean. Overall, the hike takes about 1 hour, and at the top, just stop, sit down, take in the colors, and enjoy everything around you. This was by far my favorite spot on the entire island to watch a sunrise, so definitely be sure to savor every second. As the sun climbs to the top of the sky, it's time to continue with the adventure, and that's Praia Brava. To give some context, right there is Praia Brava. Praia Brava is at the base of the mountain, but you'll need to retract your steps and return back to your vehicle and then make a quick 10-minute drive to get to Praia Brava.
Está fría el agua, Joyce.
¿Hace frío el agua?
Está más fría que el lago Iris.
Ah.
Pero el color es transparente.
Oh, this is nice. Look how clear it is.
Yeah.
The water here is like really clear. The water on this beach is crystal clear, but there's a lot of wind that drives waves to the shore. It's fun to dive below and above the waves, but it gets really tiring to be in the water and fighting the current after a while. Once you're ready to chill out, head back to dry sand, sit, and order some food from the vendors that are always walking around. They're known for providing cold beer, fried shrimp, calamari, chicken, and it'll cost around $12 per person to eat. After that long morning hike, playing out in those waves and getting that belly full of fried food, it's probably best just to go back to your Airbnb and hang out for the rest of the evening and wait for this moment right here, which is day 6. And can I just say how quickly this entire trip is going by? kind of a bummer. Today, you'll be visiting Shorore, which is the nicest neighborhood on the island. Large, beautiful homes, tropical plants that fill the landscaping. The place is nice, but I recommend getting on a rental boat and out on the open water. For 4 hours and $250, you can get a boat that sits up to 5 people and a captain that'll sail you to the Ilha do Frances. Ilha do Frances is a privately owned island with a public beach and only accessible by boat, which makes it a super chill spot. You can walk around the bay, enjoy the beach, and hang out in the calm waters. The place is awesome. 100% go there. While doing all this, your boat captain will also be your private chef, bartender, and really just provide a 5-star excursion. You got yours with vodka, right?
Caprioshka.
Caprioshka, how is it?
Muito bom. Super good.
Yeah. Ooh, my head is killing me. Is there any ibuprofen?
Yeah, it's in the bathroom.
All right, let's see here. And there it is. After a 5-star excursion like that, with the boat and the drinks and the food, I'm sure you understand why somebody's head could definitely be hurting, and I suspect yours will be too after that. Now that you're about to get in bed and wrap up day 6, you're going into your last day. This is day 7, and this is going to really be discretionary based on you, how tired you are, how much you want to relax, or if you have just enough energy left to go to one more place. If you do, then I recommend going to Barra da Lagoa, which is about 25 minutes south of the Airbnb that you're staying at. There's the beach town, which is always cram-packed with people, so not really recommend staying there, but there's this 15-minute trail which will take you to these crazy rocks, and they call them the natural pools. There's not really a pool there, but there is a spot to get into the water. The water there is just so blue. It is so refreshing, and it's definitely one of those crown jewels of the island. Like, if you're here in Floripa, you definitely need to visit Barra da Lagoa. What do you think about the rocks down there?
I've never seen anything like this. It's so beautiful. And I really hope that the camera can see the color because it's so beautiful.
As you can see, Florianopolis has so much to offer, and you need to get here now. Well, we hope you love this travel guide that we put together for you, and be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you did like it, and if you want to be along on our next adventure, be sure to hit that subscribe button. See you all next video.